Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to submit a VAT return using Making Tax Digital. For this I'll be using 10-minute accounts. You just log in and then you go to your transactions, you check they're all correct, you check the VAT rates have been applied correctly. If you need to, you can just select the ones you need to change, click bulk actions, apply tax to selected, select the tax rate you want to apply. You can also, as you probably know if you use 10-minute accounts, you can also go to money in, edit your categories, edit your sales category, and then change the VAT rate for a specific category. So if you have loads of transactions, say in one specific category, and they're all at reduced rate or they're 0 rated, just set that. It'll automatically apply that rate to all those transactions in that category. Save, and you're done. When you're ready, go to VAT. And here we go. This is going to be my VAT return for this current period, as you can see. Oh look, there is a little Making Tax Digital thing down here. I'm going to click it and authorize 10-minute accounts with HMRC. So here's my VAT number. Just need to make sure that's absolutely correct because they'll check before you can submit your VAT return. It has to be identical. You can't have letters in there. It has to be just numbers. And then you authorize now to join the pilot scheme. You get this screen right here, which is an HMRC login. It's separate to 10-minute accounts, and you literally just sign in and then grant authority, and it's done. You can close the screen, go back to this, save, and you're now ready to file your return. So you just check your figures, you confirm that the VAT return is finalized and includes all relevant transactions, and you finalize the period. It's done.